Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "While I will be in standing posture, a group will come into sight, and when I will even recognize them, a man, an angel, will intervene between me and them, and then say to them, 'Move.' I thereupon will say, 'Where?' He will say, 'To hell, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu.' I will say, 'For what reason?' He will say, 'They become apostates, returning on their heels after you.' Later on, other contingent will come into sight, and when I will have recognized them, a man, an angel, will come in between me and them, and say, 'Come on.' I will ask, 'Where?' He will say, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, to hell.' I thereupon will say, 'For what reason?' He will say, 'They became renegades, returning on their heels after you.' I think that only a few of them, like the camels unattended by a shepherd, will be delivered. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6587.